The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or 15 miles west of Franklin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Thompson Station, Leapers Fort, and Natchez Trace at Highway 96. This includes Interstate 840 between mile markers 8 and 16, and near mile marker 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.